Hello and welcome to this new video on regular expressions. In the previous video, we read some text data, cleaned it, retrieved some useful information, and then saved the output as JSON file. In this video, we'll do a similar exercise. Instead of reading the text, we will read an XML document and retrieve key information using regular expressions. So this is the exercise. So we'll extract first name, city, state, postal code from the following XML data, and that XML data I'll just show you in a minute. And then we'll use the we'll save the extracted information as a JSON file. So let's first load the regular expression module and the JSON module. Uh, Here is our XML text. So in it, each item has first name. So we have a first underscore name tag and city tag, a state tag, and postcode tag. So we'll have to retrieve all of this information and store this information as a JSON object. Uh, okay, so to do that, we'll be using this pattern here. Okay, so it's a long pattern, but let's break it down um, to smaller bits here. So let's see. Let's copy the first bit here. Okay, so what we have here, so with this pattern, we aim to retrieve the information from the tags with first underscore name. So first is basically all lowercase. So we have a character class that has the range from lowercase a to z. And then we have a plus symbol from one or more repetitions. And then we have this underscore character here, and followed by the same character class A to Z and the one or more repetition of that character class. So in between these tags, so we have this named group. So we name this group as first name, and the first name is comprising of lowercase and uppercase letters. So we have this character class here. So A to Z. So this should be capital Z. So A to Z and lowercase and capital A to capital Z, um, and followed by zero or more instances. Okay, and uh, then we have the closing tag, which is very similar to the opening tag here as well. So if we use this pattern and apply it on the text, so let's see what we get. So this is what we get. So we get all names. So Tariq, Gary, Keshan, Telly, Dana. Uh, so all of these names are here. Gary, Telly, Dana. So we extract this information correctly. All right, so we don't only want to extract the first name, but we also want to use the same pattern and extract all of this information in one go. So then for that, we continue after this pattern, like with this white space character with the zero or more occurrence. And then we have our next tag entry, so which is city, all lowercase. So we have this character class here, A to Z and plus. Um, and then we have the city name also starting from A to Z, and space character is um, can be, it can have space character as, and also ranges from capital A to capital Z as well. So what this does, so let's copy this now. So from S here, so to the uh, closing tag here. So if we do this, replace the pattern here with this new pattern. So let's see what do we get. So we get all of this information. So um, the city, as well as we are extracting the state information because the patterns are very similar. So in order to separate those city um, um, group from state group, so we have another name group called state. So this comes after this pattern. So we have another space character and then the new pattern and then another space character and then a pattern for postal code. So postal code is comprising of all decimal digits. So we only have \d and with an asterisk sign, so which means that 0 or more repetitions. Um, so if we compile this pattern here and then use the find iter on text from the pattern, and then for each of the matches, we take out the group dictionary. So we have this result list here, and then here we are saving the results list as the value to corresponding to the customer's key in this dictionary. So this is what we have, and once we have that, we will save our JSON file as customers.json, and that's the output dictionary that we have over here. So if we run this one here, so we get the customers.json file here, and if we try to open this, we have 6 items. This is the first item, so we have first name, city, state, West Virginia, postal code. Then we have Gary, Pennsylvania, and Arkansas, similarly Mississippi, South Dakota, and Idaho. Uh, okay, so that was exercise number 2. I hope you like it. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video.